Hey guys, welcome to Automotives Technica, and in this video I'm going to show you the type of battery which is required for your Scorpio. So if you open the bonnet on the right side, there is a battery. Now what you see here is this battery has been replaced because I had a problem of engine starting and it was not holding the charges in the two cells. So this is the battery which is from the Exide. They have replaced it, but they have made a mistake here. So the mistake is this battery, they have put it a wrong one because the terminals are inverted. So this is the back of the battery and that is the front of the battery. So in the front of the battery, if the negative terminal is on the left hand side, this is the negative terminal, it is called as L type. So for L type, the positive terminal happens to be on the right side of the battery. So this is the front facing and this is the positive terminal. That means this is the L type. So the Scorpio requires a P type battery. That means when you fix the battery, that means these two lugs will be at this point. So I'll be placing the snippet of the earlier battery. The negative was here and the positive was here. That means that is the P type battery and that is the actual battery should go for the Scorpio. Now what happens here is, in this case, the wires have been getting squeezed off at this point as well, and this hydraulic is touching at the terminal. Now there was another wire, he made a problem that the battery fitter has put the wire under the, you can see that he has put the wire under the battery and he didn't fit it properly. So be careful when you are installing a battery from any showroom, or it may be your authorized showroom. So I had purchased it from Sheshadripuram Link Road. The battery, I'll just put the details there. This fellow had given me a wrong battery, and you need to be careful that you should see they have the right battery or not. So for selling purpose, I believe they have pushed on this kind of battery, and I have made a complaint to the Exide Care as well as the guy from whom I purchased the battery. So he is agreed to replace the battery now. So the problem is this hydraulic touches the negative terminal, and there is another wire which was coming here from the positive terminal. There are chances that this terminal can touch the bonnet on the top. So bonnet is the negative and this is the positive. If that touches, if the paint goes, and then you have a short circuit. So be careful. And another thing is, all these are the fuse which are the wires goes to the amplifier of my audio system. So they get squeezed off. So always recommended to go for the right battery for your four-wheelers. The amperes is same, but this is something the Exide should take care. If Exide is watching this video, you need to take care of such dealers, that you need to educate them with the proper P type and L type batteries for the right vehicles. Otherwise it becomes a disaster. Well guys, please do comment on this video, and I think I have covered the types of batteries here. One is L type, which is the wrong one in the installed bay, and the P type, which is the right battery for this car. So I repeat once again, the P type, the terminals will be this side and the positive will be at this end and the negative will be at this end. That means when your battery face towards you, if the left side is the positive terminal, then it is a P type. If the battery facing towards you, that is this the one, the other side is the face, and left side is the negative, the right side is the positive. So that means it is a L type. So that's all guys. If you like my videos, push the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel Automotives Technica, and stay blessed.